Hello, I'm Chris. This is Growth Models. Welcome to issue 142 of Building the Delorean from Back to the Future, or at least building the train tracks from Back to the Future 3. So we've got another rail to install. We've got 4 brackets so we can attach it in place and finish off this half. Yeah, this is halfway through the train track. So we've got the front half or the back half, depending on which way you want to look at it. So we'll get that done. Zemeckis on TV. Manifest. I've just started watching Manifest. Yeah, it's very strange. I didn't realise that was a Zemeckis thing. So yeah, it's quite intriguing. We've watched a couple of episodes of that, and it's very good. Yeah. So that's all good stuff. Something I'm aware of. That's interesting. Finding the almanac. So near and yet so far. Okay, there we go. That's that. Next time, yeah, we're back to the box. We've got lots of tiny little things to put into the box. We'll continue with that very soon. But first of all, let's fit another rail. Okay, one more metal rail to install with 4 of the chairs, I believe they are called. And they are being fitted onto our ever-growing rail section. So this goes on there, and these go in place to hold it in place. I can fit them without the rail in place there actually, because they all fit just like that, and then the rail is basically free to slide in and out, so you don't need to worry about fitting it in place. So we've got that. So we need 8 screws. How many can I tip out? What we got there? 2, 4, 7. I was close. Not quite there. I can't get that last one. There we go. Keep one in there for later. Last time I did go back and tighten up the other screws in there to make sure that's all as it should be. I shall get these in, but I'll go back and tighten them up again off camera. You don't need to watch me tighten up lots of screws. So this will be a shorter build video. Next time will be a longer build video, because there's the box stuff to do, and the box stuff always takes a bit longer. It's a little bit more involved, a little bit more detail work on that. So there we go. That's those 4 screws holding those 2 pieces. That one. That one. The train tracks, how do I feel about them? I'm not that bothered. I don't think I'm going to be displaying it on the tracks anyway. And the fact that it's 4 individual sections rather than being a longer metal piece is a little bit of a cop out, but you know, there we go. So yeah, that's going to go in there like so, and there we have half of the track. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more soon, and I'll see you for the box next time. So stay safe. Bye bye for now.